Hi. Sometimes when you try to import an OBJ file into 3D Studio Max, and you might encounter this error saying invalid normal index. Also, in some cases you might also encounter this issue, which is getting the wrong geometry, a messed up geometry. Now, if you don't have the original file, that means you cannot export it again by fixing the geometry, or maybe try a different extension to export with, like FBX or something like that, and this is all you got. One way to work around this, work around the two problems, the normal index problem and this problem and the messed up geometry, is to try this option here, import as single mesh. And now when you import, you will not have this error, and you will get your geometry correct. And that's it for this video. If you like it, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments area, and see you in the next video. Thank you.